advisory doesn't really have bad news in it. I don't think it has any good news in it. Let's kind of break it down here. I think the one thing that you said is most important is there's no need to panic. This isn't a major hurricane that is going to wreak havoc and destruction across South Florida. That is just off the table. That's not going to happen. This is going to be an inconvenience more likely than anything, and if we're careful and we just be safe, we're going to get through this just fine. Maybe some power outages, maybe some branches down, things like that. But this is not going to be a big deal hurricane when it comes here, and it probably won't even be a hurricane as far as we're concerned, mainly just tropical storm conditions. That could be bad. It could be a little scary, but I don't think we're looking at something really, really bad here. So let's start off. Winds are at 80 miles an hour this evening. The winds have been kind of fluctuating up and down a bit. One indication that it might be getting a little bit stronger. The pressure is down a little bit tonight. That is not necessarily a bad thing. You think, well, what, you want it to get a little bit stronger? Maybe. I'll explain why in just a minute. Moving northwest at 15, Category 1, about 135 miles to the south-southeast now of Nassau. Here is our cone. There's the Hurricane Center cone, and here's our threat cone here. This is the area that has the potential for tropical storm conditions. The red area has a potential for hurricane conditions. Now, the actual wind field is a bit smaller with both of these. They're a bit exaggerated here because they indicate the potential. So if the track moves a little bit, still in that threat area. If the track moves a little bit here, if the forecast track does, the Hurricane Center's forecast track, this kind of over-represents just a little bit. But this is our Saturday morning position here, so near Andros Island. Then going into Saturday night, so tomorrow night, just due east of us, the forecast position on the center there. You can see the cone is no longer touching South Florida because the cone shows where the center is expected to be about 2/3 of the time. But clearly we are feeling the effects because the yellow area, the tropical storm conditions, have spread into South Florida during the day and now are over us in the evening. And then overnight there is Sunday morning into the next day. Still seeing some tropical storm conditions here. Things are beginning to improve here. And then as we go north from there, it just kind of skirts the coast. Now, if it goes a little bit to the left here, it's going to come inland sooner and weaken more quickly. If it goes right, it could stay a bit stronger. And then all over the southeast U.S., in fact, even to the northeast, they're watching us. We're on the front lines here, in a way, so to speak, to see what happens with us, to see what they might get coming up there. Here are the warnings tonight. Hurricane warnings just to the north of the Broward border. Hurricane watch for Broward, mainly the eastern part near the coast. So let's say I-95 to the coast. Tropical storm warnings throughout Broward, Miami-Dade, and to Key Largo. Here is our this is our time of arrival, our estimated time of arrival. I know I've worked on graphics all day. They're all blurring now. This is Saturday morning, and there are the tropical storm force winds getting close, northerly winds here in South Florida. There is noon tomorrow, and the tropical storm conditions starting to spread inland. By 4 p.m., increasingly spreading inland. By 8 p.m., there's the north wind starting to become northwesterly, and then by midnight tomorrow night, that's probably going to be our closest approach, and it's probably going to be when we're at the windiest here in South Florida, especially as you go north. Winds not as strong as you go south. There we are, 4 a.m. on Sunday, and our winds are now westerly, and then things begin to improve as the storm moves on out after that, and then conditions are better on Sunday. The models today, they made a little bit of a shift to the left, and that shift brought the Hurricane Center's forecast a bit to the left too. There's the Hurricane Center's forecast point tonight. The models are still a little bit left, but they're kind of holding that position right there. Here's why I think a stronger storm may not be necessarily a bad thing. This model right here is really split, two different directions. And these members of the model here, these are the weaker members. These out here, these are the stronger. So the thinking is that a stronger storm would send slightly different steering currents and more likely stay to our east. A weaker storm would come closer to us. It may be a wash in the end in terms of the conditions we get. There you can see it tonight. It had the appearance on the satellite, not terribly organized, but certainly a ball of big thunderstorms going on there. So still, we're talking about the tropical storm preparations. I would say get them completed by early tomorrow. Check your flashlights. I went through all my batteries tonight. Wind issues, secure anything that can blow around. I tucked everything in tonight. And shutters, if you would feel better putting them up, then early in the day, mainly northern and eastern Broward, but after that the wind's just going to get too strong. More on that coming up in just a bit. Jim?